Hi guys, so we are back again today. Dr. Adarsh, say hi.
Hello guys.
Yeah, so we're going to show you the procedure of thread lift today, something that we have shown over and over again. So thread lift, according to me, is one of the most underrated procedures right now, and it is something which gives amazing, outstanding results if done properly. It's not a very expensive procedure also, and it can give you that instant lift that you desire, which no other treatment can give you. Am I right, Dr. Adarsh?
Yes.
Yeah, so I don't know why isn't thread becoming everybody's favorite yet. So maybe we should start this trend. Yeah, so what exactly are you doing right now on this pretty
Today
female?
we are using these cork thread, PDO threads, just to uplift the sagging of the jowl area, cheeks area. So to uplift the cheek area and your nasolabial fold, which gets increased with the age and loss of collagen in that particular area because of aging or lack of maintenance or nutrition. So we just use these corks in different vectors just to uplift that particular muscle and that particular area, and this cork will get help in synthesization of collagen and production of collagen in this jowl area. So we are inserting it in.
So threads are something which is very amazing, guys. It's a lunchtime procedure. It's a 15 minutes procedure. It's completely painless. It can be used in multiple areas, like for your eyebrow lift, for your nose tip upliftment, for your lips, for your double chin. But the best part, the best change, and the best area where I love to you see the maximum changes would be your face, specifically the nasolabial folds, because when we do something like filler there, we are not able to get that optimal results. And also, yes, if you want to go for a facial optimization or a complete makeover, it is always best to combine procedures. So you can see the thread has been placed. And now Dr. Adarsh is pulling it and showing it to you. So as I was saying, it's always best to combine more than, two procedures or more than two procedures for facial optimization. Dr. Adarsh, how long do these threads last?
It depends on the quality of threads which we are using. So today we are using mint threads. They are best in world. So it will last for at least 1.5 years, 18 months to 20 months in this cheek area.
And a lot of people ask these questions. What do you mean by when we say that it's going to last for 1.5 years? Do the results disappear immediately after 1.5 years, or how does it go?
No, it will not disappear immediately. So after 15 months, gradually result will get it back to their previous condition.
Also, these threads, when left behind, as they dissolve, they make a lot of collagen. So the results don't become zero. It's not that if you're saying it's going to last for 1.5 years, so after 1.5 years, it's going to be like absolutely zero. It doesn't work like that, right?
Yes.
Okay, so both the threads have been placed. And as you can see, it hardly took like about 5 minutes. I started the live session when he was about to place the first thread. So guys, even the post-op follow-up or the post-op instructions are not too much. Just basic things like, you know, you cannot do massage, you cannot, you can see how.
So there is instant upliftment, and the sharpness you will see in this jaw area, and instant upliftment in this nasolabial fold.
Yeah.
So
As you can see here. So right now the patient face is tilted, you can't make out, but we will be posting the before after pictures soon, guys. So as I was telling you, thank you Divakar. Divakar says hi sir, great work. Raj says hi. There are a lot of people saying hi. So guys, if you have any questions related to this procedure, you can always drop in a message, DM us or ask us right now. We will be happy to answer. Hi Divakar. As I was saying, there are very less post-op you know, things that you have to follow, post-op instructions that you need to follow. It is just, you know, you can't massage your face too much, you can't take your regular facials for about a month or so. So basically, Sana Arora, so this doctor is uplifting the face and the nasolabial folds with this thread. Acha, and one more thing guys, aisa kuch nahi hai that, you know, these threads are meant to be for people who are older in age. Also people who lose a lot of weight at a young age, you know, they tend to have a sagging skin, a loose skin. So this really helps with that. So if you're anybody, you know, even if you're like 27, 28, never hurts. If you feel like you want to go for the procedure and you're the right candidate for it, you can always go ahead. There are no side effects. And Dr. Adarsh, so और आप क्या क्या कर सकते हैं thread lift से? और actually
use these threads in anywhere on the face or in other body parts. So we can use these threads to uplift cheek area. Cheek, ideally we will have to put it in a 3-vector portion, like for lower jaw area and mid to the nasolabial fold and upper cheek portion just to prominent the cheekbone. So if we will put it in 3-vector area, so the result will be the best outcome we will see. And also we can put these threads just for fox eyes nowadays. You hear about a lot of celebrities are going for this fox eyebrows, just to uplift your eyebrow area. And also you can do it on for loosening of your neck, that's called turkey neck or double chin. So wherever you will put these threads, it will get converted into collagen and also promotes in collagen synthesis. So it will help in removing that particular area's sogginess and loosening of the tissues, loosening of the muscle.
Okay. Sneti, nahi, this is not a treatment for wrinkles. For wrinkles, we do Botox. Yes, we do threads in wrinkles also, but then you need to consult before. Karishma says, is it possible that my acne pores can become less visible? Yes, definitely, Karishma. In fact, after this patient, we will be coming live with an acne scar patient and we will show you the treatment. So if you want, you can, I think it's going to be probably after half an hour or so, Karishma. So you can come and see the treatment. Hi, Bhavya. क्रीजेस के लिए क्या करवा सकते हो और ओपन पोर्स भी? सना अरोरा, इट्स बेटर दैट यू ड्रॉप इन योर नंबर एंड वी कैन गाइड यू प्रॉपरली, because I don't know what kind of open pores you have, whether it's acne scars or open pores. We have a lot of lasers and mesotherapy treatments that we do to treat open pores. So kindly drop in your number. Guys, please don't send requests to join the live. This is not an interactive session. It is more of us showing you the procedure and then you can ask the questions related to this procedure. You're welcome, Sana. Okay guys, I think that's all for now, and let's see, we have to do lip fillers also on the same patient. If I get time, I'll come back live again. Otherwise, you can tune in after 20-25 minutes and we will be showing you the procedure for treatment of acne scars. Sana, it's not at all painful. You can see how comfortably the patient is sitting, and kindly DM us and we'll answer all of your other questions. Okay, bye guys. Dr. Adarsh, say bye.
Bye guys.
Bye-bye.